Your brain can hiccup, but not on purpose. The reason we hiccup is due to a sudden contraction of the diaphragm muscle. This muscle separates your chest from your abdomen and helps you breathe in and out. When the diaphragm contracts too quickly, it irritates the nerve that controls breathing, causing an involuntary hic sound. Think of it like a muscle cramp. Just as a twitching calf can be annoying, a hiccup is your body's way of saying, "Hey, something's out of whack in here." Now next time you hiccup, you'll know your diaphragm's just trying to get your attention.